Good morning and welcome back in Tortuguero. Now yesterday we did some investigations and the canoeing tour, which is what we're about to do with our guide Jose over there, one of the locals.
Pura vida.
Pura vida. It will cost you about $25 a person and it's roughly 2.5 hours. But you also have to pay $15 entry fee for the Tortuguero National Park. Now, if you're going to do more than one tour, make sure you do them in one day so that you can get back into the park with the same ticket if it's valid for the entire day. Now, what else you want to do or going to do here is up to you. Of course, there's also a beach. There's a small little town. But if you come down to Tortuguero, make sure you stay at least 2 days and do your investigation prior. It will save some time. Without further ado, we're going to go up and away in the boat and do for you in the water. Now, another thing I forgot to mention is that when you take a local tour guide, the chances that there's fewer people on the boat is bigger, of course, than when you take a tour operator, where they will get the boat as full as possible. Now, the benefits is that A, you have more time, 2, you see more and there is more space in the boat, and it's kind of like a private tour when you're with a local guide and it's not so commercial. Besides the many species of birds, the extensive network of creeks, rivers and lagoons of Tortuguero are also home to 7 species of river turtles, caiman, river otters, over 50 species of freshwater fish, spider monkeys, howler monkeys and white-faced monkeys. And although the average temperature is around 26 degrees, you can expect rain any time of year, as nearly 20 feet of rain falls on Tortuguero yearly. However, the 3 wettest months are June, July and December. As the name Tortuguero already implies, the main attraction here is to see the turtles nesting on the beach. But for that, you have to come between July and August. But like I already mentioned, even outside the turtle season, there's plenty to do and see in Tortuguero that will make your trip over here really worth your time. Especially to see some of its unique abundance of diverse wildlife and flora, which makes Tortuguero truly a magical destination. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet and activate the notification bell to stay updated on new uploads. Despite the fact that we didn't go in the turtle season, for which you probably have to come back another time, Tortuguero really stood out as one of the main highlights of our trip through Costa Rica. Known to be the Amazons of Costa Rica, this beautiful piece of nature really is worth your time. Spend at least 2 days to get here and to explore, and make sure you do the canal tours as it's really worth your time, seeing the abundance of wildlife from the comfort of your seat. So make sure to put Tortuguero on your itinerary for Costa Rica and don't miss out this spectacular piece of nature. We'll be heading towards La Fortuna for the next part of our adventure. But that's a story for next week. Thank you very much for making the time to check out our video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and check out our playlist to see more Costa Rica and other travel related content. Pura vida!